Right, so the reason I didn't post yesterday as I was supposed to is because my missus had a bit of a mishap and managed to park the car in a flood. So I had to use mother-in-law's car to basically tow it out of that. So today's job, right, so Volkswagen Golf, quiet turbo, drain filler plugs here, like literally right here, straight there, 19mm spanner, will easily come off. So I literally just undid it to let some oil out. Turns out it's just water. Oh, now the oil's starting to come, so let's get something to put it in.
A few moments later.
Right, so another thing you might want to check if your car gets flooded is to see if there's water in the intercooler piping. Like, I took this off and basically a load of water came out, so hopefully I can get it all out. Oh, there we go again.
One hour later.
Right, another thing that you might want to do is take your core packs out, remove the spark plugs, and I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear me or not because the fan's been stuck on and won't turn off the climate control. And then all you do, just turn your engine over. And I don't know if you can see, but like water's just like splashing out of the fucking engine. Then when you want to try and keep doing that until basically there's as much water as possible out of the car.
Eventually.
Okay, so to sum things up, things went pretty well. The car starts, runs, everything seems pretty good, except from a few little electrical issues, like the fan being stuck on. I also had to bridge the fuel pump relay because the fuel pump relay is dead, basically. Or it might be alright after a drying out, but still. Right, so a few tips that you might want to pay attention to if this ever happens to you, or you manage to drive into some water or something like that. Basically, don't start the car. That is like the worst thing you could do because you could bend the valves, you could crack your cylinders, like something could happen. Like, you really don't want to do that. That's the worst idea possible. First you want to get the car out the water, then drain everything and check everything's okay. Yeah, pretty much that's it. Yeah, if this helped you guys or give you some info if you ever were wondering what would happen to a car if it was flooded, give me a like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully I don't have another video like this. Yeah, so if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, very much appreciated. Like I said in my previous video, I'm new to YouTube, so any feedback is very much appreciated. Right, see you later guys.